Hello friends, I am Jason. Today I am going to discuss about some relevant topic which I think someone noticed and some persons do not notice. This thing is about our Indian names and names of places, names of things, and many other aspects. So give me example when you have a name. Let's say your name is Rajan. Your name is Rajan, but you met an Englishman. He called you Rajna, or they spelled you as Rajna. Why? Do we spell any other's name as a, so suffix a in their names? Do we use suffix a in their names? No, we don't. But why they are using suffix a in our names? If they are writing Ram, but they do not write the proper Ram, R-A-M. They write R-A-M-A, that is Rama. And we are accepting it very thoroughly and with a warm heart. Why? Did we ever pronounce Warren Hastings as Warren Hastings, Mountbatten as Mountbatten, Jesus Christ as Jesus Christ? No, we never. Mother Teresa itself, there was a in her name. So I am discussing that why our Indian things are pronounced as pronounced with a suffix a in the end. Like if we are discussing about a dynasty, that Pallava dynasty, that was a Pallava dynasty in the south. Chola, that was a Chola dynasty. And the temples they made they have entrance is called Gopuram, and that is written as Gopurama. We have a Sikhar, they had a Sikhar in their top of the temple, and that is written as Sikhara. And we are saying it as it is. They have given to us, they had told us, and they are written in our text. We are calling Lord Ram as Lord Rama, Lord Shiva as Lord Shiva. Why? Why we are calling all these things? Can't we pronounce the right as we pronounce in our language, in our respective language, like Hindi or any other language? Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Odia, whatever our language is. No language uses suffix in the things, like the Christians or their some Britishers told us. They told us that whatever the things they are saying or they are using is perfect. Is the perfect thing, most perfect thing they are using, and we should do according to them. Why? They gave us the thing like white man is the superior on this earth, and after making us slaves for almost 200 years, our thinking, our mind had developed that only the fair skinned persons are good and they are superior, they are much more intelligent and they are much more civilized. But we are not. No, this is not the correct thing. We can see Barack Obama, we have examples of Nelson Mandela, we have many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, and no race is superior or no color is superior. We have to think about it when we see two persons. Someone is fair skinned, someone is dark skinned. We made a perception. I'm especially talking about Indians, our Indian counterparts. We start to think we have a good gesture towards that fair skinned person, and somewhat bad gestures as compared to the fair skinned with the dark skinned, or we can say black. Black is not a appropriate word because no one is black. Black is charcoal. Black is charcoal and white is paper. But we call them white and we call ourselves or some dark skinned as black. This is very wrong. Very, very wrong. We need to improve our thinking, our mentality, and our ability that the color and race did not define anybody's gesture, anybody's behavior, anybody's what we can say culture or their superiority or inferiority. Their knowledge only defines them. But what we are thinking, actually this is not our fault. This is what we have learned from last 200 years when the Britishers ruled on us. Before Britishers, they were French and Dutch, Danish, Portuguese. Many of them come from Western, and they taught us that whitish is the superiority, means fair skin is the superiority. They are all superior in all the forms, and we are inferior. And we started thinking, my friends, after getting independence, actually it is about 75 years we have completed after getting independence. So we need to think about this, that we should not take the burden of that whitish superiority, that all was a fake, that all was a bluff. Nothing, no color defines their superiority or inferiority. It's all depends on our minds, our thoughts, our knowledge, our behavior. And we ourselves is the best person. Do not compare yourself with others, like Britishers, or that we called it Gore. That Britishers, our ancient people called them Gore. That Gore is about their color, not about their knowledge. They are what we say, they are fair in color but black from their heart. And what they have done, that was almost very ridiculous, very disgusting and inhuman. Thank you so much for listening this. Think about it. Jai Hind.